Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today on this video I'm sharing with you a quick recipe of how to make omena in coconut cream. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for your continued support. Give this video a like and now let's get started. And the first thing I do after buying omena is to just sort them to get rid of any dirt and any unwanted parts that could be present in the omena, and after that I just put them into a large bowl and ready for the next step. And stuff like this is what I just throw away as I do not need such. And after that, now take hot water and then add to the omena, and you're just going to leave them there for 30 minutes or until the water is cooled enough. And moving on, like you see here on this video, the omena is already cooled and you can see the water that is there is very dirty. So the idea is to wash the omena and rinse until the omena is clean and until you get rid of any dirty water. Like you see, that is very dirty. And now this is my omena after rinsing and after getting them clean and ready for the next step. And next, after that, fry onions. And like you see, I used 2 large onions. Use the onions depending on your preference and however much you like. And you're going to cook the onions until they turn translucent, and at that point now add crushed garlic, and this is just 5 cloves of garlic. You can also add crushed ginger at this point. And allow the ginger and the onions to cook, and when they turn almost golden brown, we are going now to move to the next step. And in these steps is where I add my spices. Use your preferred spices. I used 2 beef cubes, garam masala and thana jeera, but use whatever spices you like. And after cooking the spices, you can see the mixture is looking nice. Now I went ahead and added 3 tomatoes. Now allow the tomatoes to cook on low flame until they are fully cooked, until they look mushy. And at this point now I added tomato paste, 1 tablespoon, and you're going to give that a good mix. And now just add a little amount of water, enough to cook the tomatoes, and after that you're just going to leave them to cook on low flame. And at this point you can see the tomatoes are ready, very nicely cooked. And if some pieces are not fully cooked, you can just mash with a mwiko just to ensure that they are fully mashed and it looks like more of a sauce at this point. And this is the point now where you add your omena, and you're just going to add the omena and then mix it in very nicely, being very careful not to break the omena piece, the omenas. Just mix everything well, and you're going to cover them at this point and cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. And after that time now I went ahead and added grated carrot and pili hoho, and that is capsicum, and then you're going to give that a good mix. And after that add your coconut cream. I just used a half cup of coconut cream, but of course you can use more, you can use less depending on how you prefer the omena to be. And also I added some little water just to get that excess coconut cream that was remaining on the bowl. And after cooking for 5 minutes, the omena will be ready. You guys, they were amazing. I love them so much, and this was the meal for that evening and we all loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly try out this recipe and tell me how it goes, and thank you so much for your continued support. See you on my next one. Bye bye.